Hello, my name is Jackson.
Paisley,
Samuel,
Nolan.
Today is Friday, April 17th, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, our spring concert for kindergarten and second grade is next Tuesday, the 21st. The performance is at 6 p.m. and the participating students will need to arrive at 5:30 p.m. Kindergarten orientation is Thursday, April 23rd at 5:30 p.m. in the STEM wing. We can't wait to see the faces we know and meet the faces we don't.
Pre-K has been learning about how plants and how they grow. They talked about what plants need, like sunlight, water, and even soil. The students even got to plant their own vegetables in small greenhouses. They are very excited to take care of their plants and watch them grow each day.
Kindergarten spent the week learning about how flowers and plants grow. They made mini greenhouses and planted some Vina seeds. We can't wait to see if they grow.
After first grade finished their study of Artemis II mission and learning about the pieces and parts of a spacecraft, they built rockets out of paper, towels, and paper.
Last week, second grade began their last PLTW module for the year, Diversity of Life. They started off with a habit, walk and learn about different types of habits and what animals and plants can survive there. They will also be raising butterflies to release into their natural habitat.
The third graders are taking iLearn this week. They took some time off to work in the garden and pull some weeds.
Fourth graders learned how animal and plants parts help them live and survive. They did a fun sorting activity where they sorted animals and plants into different groups. The students, they did a gallery walk to look at other groups' work and try to guess how they sorted their items.
In PE, partner jump rope is on. Students practice double dutch and sharing a jump rope while both inside. Great job working together.
We have been working with microbits in computer science and STEM. We are learning how they work and creating a new task for these little machines to display.
In library, our Beanstack leaderboard is posted on the library door and will be updated every Tuesday. The winning class will get to have Starbucks party in the library with Mrs. Yates. Right now, first place is Mrs. Wyatt's class with 35,260 minutes. Make sure while you're reading to move your score up and finish the year strong.
In STEM, some of the students are starting a science experiment that will last for the rest of the year. They will be on a display by the glass doors in the STEM wing. Stop by to check it out.
After school activities. For those who are signed up for the science fair on April 30th, please don't forget to conduct your experiments. If you want to wait until the last minute, it will not turn out right.
Our Math Bowl students did an amazing job at Bell Intermedia while competing against several other teams. We are so proud of their hard work and dedication to math. Even when the problems were challenging for the crowd and teachers, our students stayed focused and solved them with confidence.
Girls on the Run had their practice 5K, and the girls did such an amazing job. We are so excited for the big 5K and wait to show their bold, strong hearts. The coaches are so proud of every single girl. Girls on the Run is full of fun.
Here's a special message from the 4th grade teachers.
Joke of the week. What did one tectonic plate say to another when he bumped into another?
I don't know. What did another tectonic plate say when he bumped into another?
Sorry, my fault. Get it? The fault line.
Thank you for watching what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week.
Bye.